Dear Cheri, I made a batch of infused oil and it did not come out as strong as I had hoped. My question is, can I re-infuse my infused oil with more cannabis to make it stronger? The short answer is yes, you can, meaning you can add more cannabis and infuse your oil again to up the potency. Before I get to the longer answer, I just want to remind everybody to hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. And if you get value out of these videos, be sure to hit that like button too. Okay, Ardent Cannabis, makers of my favorite cooking gadgets, the FX and the Nova, did some interesting experiments with what they call infusion boosting, meaning that they re-infused infused oil with both CBD and THC in their tests, and they lab tested them to make sure that it worked. And what they found is that you can definitely do this. However, know that you do lose a little bit of potency on the second infusion. So you're not exactly going to double the amount even if you use the same amount of cannabis. So for example, let's say we made an infusion that was, let's just say 90 milligrams of THC per ounce. If I infuse the same amount again, it wouldn't be 180, it might come out to about 170 or a little bit less. Another thing that they found, and there'll be a link below to the article that has these lab tests, is that the amount of the volume that you're infusing, the amount of oil or butter or whatever you're infusing on that second round will matter. And that's because you can only cram so much into a small amount of oil, although that exact number seems elusive to find. But they found that the smaller amount of liquid, the less potency that was lost on that second infusion. Again, there will be a link below where you can check out the lab tests for yourself and the research that Ardent did. But the bottom line is, yes, you can definitely re-infuse to up the potency. There'll also be a link below to an article on my website that has various tips for increasing potency in general as well. Hope this helps. Eat your weed.